right, Miss Autumn, this is the AirGlide Pro.
I'm
you
so
ready
excited.
for this? Yes, it's fun. So we can use it to smooth, straighten, curl, wave. So I'm going to teach you.
Perfect.
And we're going to teach everybody.
Perfect.
So smoothing is super simple. Wherever you feel you need that, you don't have to worry about burning yourself. And all you're going to do is open it up. Go ahead and put it where you want it to be. And it just really nicely glides nice and slowly down. If you want those ends straight or beveled, that you can do at the bottom. All right, you want to give it a try?
I would love to.
Okay, cool. Just come straight on. Yeah, and it's nice to hold it because you have a little tension there. And just make sure at the bottom you just come straight out.
Wow.
All right, so Autumn, you can use this for curls. You can use it for beachy waves. But we're gonna turn so that's the cool air coming out. So it's gonna set it. It's gonna take the heat off so it's healthier for the hair. And so all you have to do is hit that twice and you hear that air goes on, right?
I love how quiet it is.
So for a curl, we're just gonna spin the whole tool, right? So just take your time. The heat's on the inside. The heat will restructure it and then the cool sets it. So I just like to come right through the end. See how nice it just glides through?
Wow.
So if you want a full-on curl.
Wow.
Now when you're doing a beachier wave, what I like to do is come halfway.
Okay.
And then just kind of come out. So you're not spinning quite as much.
Okay.
See how it's just like one big spin?
Yeah.
And then that comes down like more of a beachy wave. Just slow down your spin a little bit. There you go, a little slower. There you go. Perfect.
It's so easy.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Nice.
So Maria, I want to do more of a beachy wave.
Right, so you're gonna do more of a half spin. There you go, and then come out a little bit. Half spin, come out. Great. And then you're just gonna work your way down. Mm-hmm. Yep, and you can pull down while you're doing it. There you go.
Wow.
So it's more relaxed than a full curl. Also, if you really want those just kind of bended waves, you know, that are very trendy right now, it's kind of like the undone look. When you come in and do your spin, I like to hold it because it's easier. You come underneath and you spin again, and you come underneath and you spin again. And so basically what's happening is it's just like that real tousled, like you didn't do your hair, but it's done.
Love.
Even if you want the curl to start a lot higher, so you have a lot, you know, more curl, you just, when you put it in, you start spinning right away at the top so that the curl is happening at the root and goes all the way to the end. So it's really like flexible as far as how much or how little curl that you want. So obviously, the cool air really helps them set. But if you want a little bit more, you know, to make sure they last, before you finger through them, I like to call it like spray painting. I keep it away, like a can away, the spray, and we just get a little bit of spray on all of those curls and just kind of let that dry as well before we finger through it. So I like to just take my fingers through it first. Like I like that broken up kind of waved look. So I just kind of break up the waves just with my hand. Yeah, the volume is just great. And it's just such a natural curl, right?
Yes.
What do you think?
I love that natural, like I just came out of the ocean look. It's perfect for summer, all year round.
Autumn, also because of that cool air setting it, don't be afraid to brush this. You can have a whole different look, just like a volume wave when you brush. So I just use a nice wide, you could use a wide tooth comb, or I love the smoothie brush, but then it just puts in these. Here, go ahead and brush the other side. So it's set, so you don't have to worry.
Oh, I've never seen my hair like this.
Isn't that great?
Oh, wow. This is a whole different look.
Yes. So it's great for second day too. You can wear the beachy wave first, or the curl, and then you can brush through it on second day to have more of like a wave.
Wow.
So pretty, right?
I absolutely love it.